Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm super excited. I recently resubscribed to the Walmart beauty box, which retails for a whopping $6.98. Technically, the box is free and the $6.98 is for shipping and handling. I just refer to this as a $7 beauty box. Typically, we only get sample size products. However, sometimes there are full size items. I just resubbed last month. I strongly suggest if you're going to subscribe that you do it right before a season starts. I did it after the summer season and I didn't get any of the items that are in the pamphlet. So I'm super excited to get an actual new release box where hopefully everything in my box is what they advertise in that booklet. Okay, I am version 4, so we shall see if 4 is a good one. When I originally subscribed to this box a couple years ago, I swear there were only 2 versions. Now there's at least 4, possibly even more versions. Alright, it comes with the booklet and a little bit of tissue paper. Alright, so the first item is from Revlon, and it's a sample card. What is this for? The Illuminance Skin Caring Foundation, which is a new foundation. To be honest, from a lot of different brands, I get these and I don't really reach for them. But let me know if you'd be curious for me to use these to create my own shade and test out to see if the new Revlon, what's it called? Illuminance Skin Caring Foundation is any good and if I should pick up a full bottle. Alright, next item. Feels quite hefty and is large. Ooh, are you full size? Okay, so this is a clay color changing mask. What? Oh, it's just because I'm lazy. This says it helps tighten pores and removes buildup. It's from a brand called ITK, which I've never heard of. It says you can use it in the AM or the PM. It says apply onto face, dry for 5 minutes, rinse. Okay, so it's not horrible. Some of these skin masks, they want you to keep it on for 20 minutes. I don't got time for that. 5 minutes, I could put it on, wash my hair, condition my hair, and rinse it off. But I'm lucky and don't need help reducing my pores, nor do I suffer from acne. So I don't know. I may give this a try, or I may just set it aside for a giveaway. All right, what else came in this box that also is a decent size, if not full size, or sample? Okay, so this is from THAYERS. It's Soak It Up 80-Hour Liquid Moisturizer. What? I think of THAYERS as, what are they? The stuff you put on your face if you have acne, like witch hazel, or what's that product called for your pH balancing? I didn't know they were into skincare. All right, I'm going to assume this is a sample, as this is 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml, which is a very nice size for a sample product. All right. Ooh, what is this? This is the Impress Falsies. Are these the type where you don't need glue? OMG, I swear to God. I was going to pick these up because I keep seeing Taylor Wynn talk about these. I don't wear false eyelashes. I don't like glue or the struggle. But I was super curious about these to see, like, how do you get them to stick on without glue? Now I don't have to buy them. I can try them out. Wow, and we get a decent amount. We get 8 in here. And it comes with the world's smallest but super cute, I think those are tweezers or something to help apply them. I am super excited about that product. All right, the next item. Ooh, what is this? We have Thank You Next. Is this from Ariana Grande? Hold on. Whenever I hear Thank You Next, that's who comes to mind. Yes, Ariana Grande. Ooh, it's a body mist. I've never smelled any of her perfumes. I know she has one that's called Cloud that's supposed to be good. This is Thank You Next. Let's see. It's very floral. Very, what's that other scent that's not my jam? Is it like an amber or a musk, or I'm the worst. the floral dissipates and then you're left with, I don't know, maybe there's some citrus in it. I will have to see if in an hour or so I like the scent. When I first sprayed it out, it was like a little old lady-ish to me, which surprises me because Ariana Grande is so young. And I hope if you love this scent, please don't take how I'm describing it as an insult. If you love it, it's just for what I enjoy in a perfume scent is not necessarily my jam. All right, next item. We have something from Carol's Daughter. It's the Born to Repair. I'm going to assume this is something for the hair. It's a 60-second moisture treatment without silicones. Very tiny writing on the back. What does it say? After using the nourishing shampoo, apply to hair evenly and wait 1 minute. Do not rinse. Okay, so it's a leave-in conditioner. I will definitely have to give that a try. I haven't really used any leave-in conditioners. The way my hair used to be, it would leave my hair feeling greasy, but now that my hair is dry, maybe this will do wonders. I will definitely give it a try. All right, and then the last item, we have a frequent flyer. This here is from CETAPHIL. It's the Daily Facial Cleanser. I say that because we tend to get CETAPHIL a lot. All right, that seemed like a really good box, particularly for $7. I'm going to do my best to figure out the price, even though they're sample sizes. If I do some math on how many mLs are in one compared to the full size, and I'm just going to list that on screen. But I think this is spectacular for $7 because we got 7 products for $7. That's each of these samples. If you look at it, it was like $1. As I mentioned, I was been very curious about these press-on false lash little bits that you just add to the outer corner, particularly because it doesn't require glue. And now I can actually try them. This made the box for me. All right, let me recap everything I got in the fall Walmart beauty box. I got a leave-in conditioner from the brand Carol's Daughter, the Thank You Next body spray from Ariana Grande, a clay color changing mask from ITK, a sample foil pack of the new Revlon Illuminance Skin Caring Foundation, a sample of the Daily Facial Cleanser from CETAPHIL, the Soak It Up Liquid Moisturizer from THAYERS, and an 8-pack sample of the Impress Press-On Falsies. What are your thoughts? I am super excited about this box. I know, it's a bunch of samples, but for $7, I think it's a really great deal. But now I want to hear from you. Do you subscribe to this box? Have you been thinking about it? Have you seen other people do their unboxings? And is my box better or worse than their box? I haven't seen anyone's video yet. But since I got those Impress press-on lashes, I'm super excited. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.